Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Lama Tabang. Today I bring for you all Vietnamese rice noodle soup. It's called Po. आज भने तपाईहरु माझमा Po यानी कि Vietnamese rice noodle soup को रेसिपी ल्याएर म आइसकेको छु। यो वेस्टर्न र नन वेस्टर्न भर्जनमा दुईटा भर्जनमा छ भने यो एउटा एसियन सुप भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि एसियन फ्लेभर सुप भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि र लाइट एन्ड हेल्दी पनि छ र यसै कारणले गर्दाखेरि तपाईहरुले पनि घरमै यो सुपलाई चाहिँ सजिलैसँग बनाएर पनि तपाईहरुले खान सक्नुहुनेछ र भिडियोलाई अन्त्यसम्म हेरेर साथ दिनुहोला र रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर तपाईहरुले आफ्नो फ्यामिली फ्रेन्ड्सहरुसँग पनि डिफरेन्ट भेराइटिजहरुसँग इन्जोय गर्नुहोला। Vietnamese Po recipe fragrant, light and flavorful with the beef and vegetarian option. Po Vietnamese rice noodle soup. Ingredients for the broth: beef po, po bo, 2-liter beef stock or water, beef bones for slow simmer, 300-gram beef biscuit or shank, 1 large onion half, 5 cm piece ginger half, 2 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, salt and sugar to taste. Western Po, 2-liter vegetable stock. Replace beef bones with the grilled onion, carrot and daikon for depth. Use soya sauce instead of fish. For the soup bowl, 100-gram flat rice noodles, Po noodles, 200-gram thinly sliced raw beef, sirloin or flank for Po bo or tofu mushroom or veg version, herbs, fresh herbs, Thai basil, cilantro, mints, beans sprout, lime oil, sliced chili optional. Instruction: prepare the broth, char the aromatics, place onion and ginger over an open flame or under the oven, grill until lightly blackened. Simmer in a large pot. Combine stock beef brisket if using onion, ginger and star anise, cinnamon, cloves and coriander seeds. Cook, simmer 1 to 5 or 3 hours for deep flavor. For western version, simmer 30 to 40 minutes. Skim impurities. Season, add fish sauce or soya sauce and adjust salt, sugar to taste. Strain the broth and keep hot. Prepare the noodles. Soak dried rice noodles in warm water 30 minutes, then boil for 1 to 2 minutes until tender. Drain and rinse briefly. Assemble the bowl. Add cooked noodles each bowls. For beef po, lay thin slice of raw beef on top of the noodles. The hot broth will cook them. For veg po, add tofu, mushroom, pour piping hot broth over. Garnish and serve. Top with bean sprout, herbs, lime oil and chili slice. Serve with the hoisin sauce and sriracha on the side. Tips for clear broth: pork bones, meat for 5 minutes, rinse, then start fresh with the clean water before simmering. Po flavor comes from charred onion, ginger, spice, so don't skip that step. Slice beef pepper thinly, prettily freezer for easier cutting. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile, have a look, many more recipes are there and enjoy with family friends. Thank you very much. See you next in the video. Love you all.